Hi there, it's Tim. I'm shooting for Fashion Splash 2020 today. It's a beautiful day in Victoria, and I'm going to be at the end of the runway snapping some shots of the malls as they hit the runway with the different amazing outfits. Thank you very much to all those that supported the event. Take a look at some of the shots I'm going to show you now, and we're right down here at Ogden Point, and it is sunset. It's beautiful.